Alright.
Hello there.
This is Nick the Magician. I'm going to pick this card here. It's a king.
Okay, you got that card?
This way. Just go that. Alright.
Alright, put your card on top of there.
You need to explain
This is
it.
your card.
Put it on
We're going
the
on top of the deck.
My card's there. You need to explain it as you go. Explain it! Explain it!
Okay, so
I need to remember this.
it's not like I'm asking because everyone here is going to understand how to do it, okay? You normally can't see it from this angle, but you push that up,
This is a secret angle, ladies and gentlemen.
and as you do it, you peel that off with the fleshy part of your wrist. Like, they can't see that, you're like that. You're like, so that's your card on
And
top.
so behind that card there is
Another card.
the card that was on.
But it looks like that's the card on top of it.
Yeah.
That's your card right there, isn't it?
Yes.
And then you push, yes,
Yes, it is.
and then you push it down.
Yes.
Looks like it's going on top of it, alright? And as soon as you've done that, you show them, like, that's gone on top of the deck. And then you just push it and put it inside. There you go. I'm going to just bury it in the deck right there.
So that's just in a random place?
It's going inside. Watch it, watch it, watch it. It's gone. It's in there somewhere. Okay? No. Oh, well. There it is.